How to draw the WWE logo, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to want to begin by drawing upside down V lines. In total, we're going to want to draw 4 of these lines, and they're all going to be stacked one above the other. These upside down V lines that we make will be the center of the 2 W's that we draw. Oh, and if you're new to learn how to draw Hub, then welcome. I upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spots. Nicely done! Almost all of those arrows look similar to a Christmas tree. Now for the next step, we're going to want to finish drawing the outline of our W's. So on the right and left hand side of the arrows, we're going to want to connect the sides. And if you haven't noticed yet, the line that I'm currently drawing is for the bigger W that will be underneath of the smaller one. Fantastic! Now that we have the right hand side connected, let's go ahead and do the exact same thing on the left hand side. It's very important that this side is the same length as the one that we just drew together. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Nicely done, so far we're making great progress. Next, we're going to want to finish drawing the W right above, so let's go ahead and do that right now. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Nice, now we're almost done. Last but not least, before we color, we're just going to want to draw a shape that is going through the bottom of the big W. You'll notice that this shape will be colored in red at the end of today's video. This is how to draw the WWE logo. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because I upload on a regular basis. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.